Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up COOYA dual band Wi-Fi extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, insert the COOYA Wi-Fi extender into a wall outlet near your router. Avoid using extension cords or power strips during the initial setup because they can sometimes affect the device's performance. After plugging in the extender, wait for the power indicator to turn on. The LEDs may blink for a short time while the device completes its startup process. Usually, the startup process takes 30 to 60 seconds. Locate the WPS button on your Wi-Fi router. It is usually found on the back, on the side, or occasionally on the front panel. Press the WPS button on the router once. The WPS LED starts blinking. The router now waits for another WPS device to connect. You usually have 2 minutes to connect the extender. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on the COOYA extender. After pressing the button, the WPS indicator may start blinking. The signal light may flash. The 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz LED may blink. The blinking LEDs indicate that the extender is communicating with the router. Be patient during this process because the connection can take 2 to 5 minutes. Do not unplug the extender while the LEDs are flashing. Once the setup is complete, the LED indicators will stop blinking. Different LED patterns may indicate different connection statuses. A solid green light usually indicates an excellent connection. A blue light often indicates a successful connection. Unplug the extender from the current outlet. Move it to a location between the router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone, laptop, or tablet. Look for the extended network name. Usually it appears as your Wi-Fi name _ext. Select the network. Enter the same Wi-Fi password as your router. Now your setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.